What is the value of a girl? Would you trade your daughter for 10 cows? In modern-day Kenya, such transactions are normal. This is Muhuru Bay, a rural fishing town with a population around 25,000. The people are poor. Life is hard, especially for the women, for they do the brunt of the daily labor. This is Lake Victoria, where the women come to get their drinking water. It is also where the community comes to bathe and to wash their clothes and their dishes. Its water and fish sustain life. Its unsanitary conditions bring disease and death. Here, near the shores of Lake Victoria, women trade sex for fish so that they can sell the fish to buy the simple necessities for their families. This economic exchange does not come without consequences. The dropout rate is so high that only 5% of girls finish secondary school, and no girl attending secondary school in Muhuru has gone on to college in the last 20 years. Not one. But there is a joyful noise of hope rising in the community. Transformative change is happening within the walls of WISER, a secondary boarding school set up for girls. Dr. Rose Odiambo, the first woman from the community to graduate college, teamed up with members at Duke University to create a school that would end gender disparity in education. In 2010, the vision became a reality as the first 30 girls were accepted into WISER. WISER gives a girl everything she needs to be healthy and successful, and WISER has already helped change the community. WISER Bridge has reached out to the elementary schools to provide professional development for the instructors. The rate of students qualifying for secondary school has already risen since the inception of the program. WISER has also built the first clean water filtration system, and WISER has been instrumental in HIV prevention, research, and education. All of these efforts take money that comes from charitable donations. With the phenomenal success WISER has had in Muhuru Bay, the plans are and have always been to replicate that success elsewhere, to make the noise of hope so loud that it is heard around the world. And all the world will know the value of a girl is immeasurable. Come make some noise with us.